Hello friends, in this video I'm going to show you how to change body color in Roblox step by step. First of all, open your Roblox app and make sure you are logged into your account. Once you are in, tap on the avatar menu at the bottom center of your screen. This is where you can customize your character's appearance, including clothes, accessories, body colors, and more. Next, tap on Customize. From there, select Head and Body. Under this section, you will see multiple options like skin, head, hair, and more. To change the entire body color, tap on skin. Now you will see a range of color options. Scroll to find the color you want for your avatar's body. If you want to change the color for specific body parts like arms or legs, tap on Advanced, which appears at the bottom of the color option. Inside the Advanced menu, you can change each body part's color individually, such as head, torso, left arm, left leg, and right leg. Just tap on the part, choose the color, and it will update instantly. Once you are happy with the changes, simply go back, and your avatar will be saved with the new body color. And that's it. Now you know how to change body color in Roblox. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more tech tips. And make sure to tap the notification bell so you never miss an update. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.